Today I wanted to come in and just do a chill quick video of my go-to summer makeup routine. This is what I do most of the time. Unless I'm like going out, which I don't do very often, I will do this. So if you want to see how to do that, then just keep watching. Okay, so to start, I will just run through my eyebrows with a spoolie. My eyebrows are tinted. If you hear any whining in some background, it's my dog who chewed my couch up today, wanting to come in here and be with me. So, and so I usually just put brow gel in my brows. I don't do anything like super fancy, like a sculpted brow or anything. So after that, I will go in with my primer, and I'll just start right off the bat. So we're gonna go in with the No Problem Prime Essence Primer from Touch and Soul, and we are just gonna put this all over the face. Okay, and then I let that get a little bit tacky. And then I will go into the True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator from L'Oreal. And I will take this on my fingers. I use a lot of cream products in the summertime. I just really like them. I'll just put this anywhere, like on the high points of my face. It looks a little crazy at first, but it'll look good, I promise. So then after that, in the summertime, a lot of the time I won't go in with foundation. So instead I'll go in with concealer. So today I'm gonna be using two concealers. I'll be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in 04 Fair, and I'll be using the Photo Ready Candid Concealer by Revlon in 005. So I will start with the ColourPop one. And I will just blend all of that in with my beauty sponge. So then, my air conditioning just came on, so don't mind that. I will go in, my dog. So then I will go into my blush and highlight. So the blush I'm going to be using is the Wet n Wild blush in Peach Bums. And I just go in with my finger and I apply that to pretty much a lot of all over my face, because I really like the way it makes my skin look. And then after I apply my blush, I will go in with my liquid highlighter. Right now I'm just using this sample one, this Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. So then after that, I will go in and I will set some of my makeup. So I will go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to set under my eyes and dust a little bit all over my face. So then from there, I will go in with a little bit of bronzer. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Satin Bronzer in Tranquil Tan. I'm not going to put a ton of this on. A lot of people like to be tan in the summer, but I don't get tan. So then after that, we will go in with blush. I know you guys are thinking more blush. So we're gonna go in with the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, and I basically just mix these two together. Sorry if the lighting in here is awful. I'm using natural lighting and I think it might be a little dark. And then we will go in with my highlight. So we're gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder in Written in the Stars. This was like $4 and you get so much product. A lot of product. Now I'll just go into my beauty sponge and I will just kind of run over everything that we did. Then for eyes, I just typically don't do much, but I will put on some false lashes. So sometimes I'll run in like a bronzer in the crease, so I'll just run the same bronzer that I used on my eyes and I'll just run that in the crease. And then I'm just gonna quickly pop on some false lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know what's happening to my eyelashes, but we'll just continue on. So then I will just run some brow gel in my brows. We will move on to lips. So I do a lot of nude lips in this. So for lips, I'm gonna go into the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Crayon, not a crayon, Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comment, and I'm going to line my lips. And so then after that I will go into my lipstick. So this is the Mix and Matte Lip Duo from Flower Beauty, and this is in Melon Kiss. And after you are done with that, you can set your face with makeup, but I don't have a setting spray with me. It's over there in that drawer and I don't want to get back up. So this is the finished look. Just super simple, super quick. I can usually do this in about 15 minutes if I don't have to keep running my dog in and out of the house. She's being a little bit of a naughty, but that's okay. So, yeah. So anyway, you guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.